This last August, about August of 2011, in Kiev, Ukraine, they began to hear trumpets in the sky. And I mean in the sky. People were going outdoors and looking up into either a clear or a cloudy sky and hearing choruses of trumpets. Big trumpet sounds, sometimes in unison, sometimes in harmony, but the most baleful, mournful trumpeting you can imagine. And they would run in and get their video cameras and take sound recordings of these trumpets. That happened August the 11th of 2011, and then just a few days later in Tampa, Florida, during a baseball game of all things. Do you remember that one?
Oh yeah, it's actually was recorded on the Watchers 3 DVD that L.A. Marzulli did, and it is really spooky to sit there and listen to it, and listen to the announcers talking about it, and see the looks on the faces of the people in the stadium down in Tampa. I mean, they're just stunned. Like, what is that?
And the announcers are stunned, and they are listening to this very same trumpeting sound in a dome stadium. A lot of people try to explain it away as the wind blowing through the dome in a certain way, but it was trumpeting. Everybody heard it. Baseball players standing in the field were looking up like this and wondering, what in the world is that?
Gary, that's just one or two incidences.
Oh, yeah.
These are taking place all over the world, all over Europe and Germany and Russia, in Los Angeles and Topeka, Kansas. I mean, everywhere you turn. In fact, all you've got to do is go to YouTube, and type in, strange sounds in the earth and the heavens. And so people have been asking for the last year, looking for answers. When is Gary going to talk about this? So finally they've got their wish. You've written about it in the June issue.
And Bob, doing some Bible research, I discovered there is Bible precedent for this. In other words, there are places in the Bible where the characters in the Bible hear sounds over their heads, in the air. The most